Hello guys, this is Kannan. I am in ADC team. I work in NIS automation. So out of curiosity, I have just done a small automation for my friend, which I would like to share to you people. So there is one friend in my society. She bakes cake at her home only, and she sells that. So from past 1 or 2 years, she is doing this. So just out of curiosity, what I did is I created so you can see in the board. What I did is I created one Excel sheet. Okay, this Excel sheet is an input file. Okay, so in this Excel sheet you have three details of the customers: birth date, customer's name, and WhatsApp number. So whenever she gets a new order from the customer, she will just note down these three details in the Excel sheet, and that will be the input file for the Excel for the coding. Then I have prepared a script in using Python language. So what this script will do is it will fetch the information from the Excel sheet. Then inside I have written one logic. What logic is? The birth date of the customer is the birth date of the customer minus today's date is equal to 7. If the birth date of customer minus today's date is equal to 7 days, then it will send a WhatsApp message. Directly it will send a WhatsApp message to the customer saying the message will be like, in next coming 7 days you have your birthday, so please feel free to give your cake orders to me. Like this message will go. And then if suppose it is not there, no 7 days is there, then it will just print a message saying no birthdays in next 7 days. That's it. So for this only internet connection is necessary. So this is a small automation which I have done. I will also show you in my laptop. So you can see here. So if you see in my laptop, I can show you. This is the Excel sheet. So these are the details: customer, date of birth, and mobile number. So this says just for testing purpose I have entered these 5 customers, and this is the mobile number. So this is my script in Python where I have written a logic, and you can see here, if you see in line number 29, birthday minus today's date is equal to 7, then it will send a message, and then automatically it will open your WhatsApp in website in a browser, and it will send a message here. See, this is the message. So this is the what automation I have done for my friend, just out of curiosity, and I would like to share to my fellow teammates also, just for my knowledge purpose or sharing purpose. I hope you like this video and my use case. Please give your reviews and comments on this. Thank you. Have a nice day.